All right, today we're going over how to draw Venom. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, and fun to draw, okay? So stay all the way to the very end of the video, and you're going to love it. So let's get started. First thing I do here is I'm going to draw a curve over here at the top for kind of the top of Venom's head. Please forgive me. I am very, very sick, but I'm still doing videos, so I'm not going to talk that much. And if I do, I'm going to sound very nasally and bad. So curving around the corner here. So the top of his head. I'm going to draw a line over here for the back of the neck. Over here for kind of the top of his mouth. The opening of his mouth. Straight across for the opening of his mouth there. Up over here. Down. Okay, so far so good. Line down over here for his wide open mouth. Excuse me. Curve down here and down right here for the bottom of his jaw, pulling back up. He obviously opens his jaw really big. All right, curve, curve, curve. What did you guys think of the Venom movie? I'm very curious. I did not like it. I haven't seen the second movie. I did not like the first movie. But what did you think about it? Am I wrong? Did you like it? Is it amazing? I just thought it was, I like Venom as like a bad guy. I don't know why they're trying to make him a good guy. He should be a bad guy. But curve, curve, curve. For the teeth, continue to curve. Very, very spiky right there in that area. Line over here, he's got that skin over here that folds along the side of the mouth there. Curl here for underneath the eye. Wobbling all the way up. Wobbling all the way up over here. So it's a wobble all around. Curve over here. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Line underscore here. Tongue coming out. Very long tongue. Curve underneath. Line over here gets thicker as it goes into the mouth, obviously. Let's draw thin little spikes going upward. Please give me a like for doing this while I'm sick, if you can. If not, I understand, but definitely hit the like button. Will help out. Let's see a line over here. Curve here. Right on. And some more teeth in the back. So far so good. We're doing pretty well, I think. So line over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the darkness of the pit of the mouth. You don't have to do this. I just think it's a good idea. Right on, right there. Are you looking forward to Venom 3? That movie trailer does look really cool. I actually am looking forward to that. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line over here, just filling that in. Curve, curve, curve. Line underneath. And maybe throwing a little dark areas over.
Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is And then I throw other extras like, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it.
Excuse me. Over here underneath the mouth. Curve, curve. Underneath there. Curve, curve over here. And then right here, the sternocleidomastoid. A big muscle on the side of the neck that's really going to help out, right? Full line over here. Let's throw some darkness under the neck. And some dark lines over here kind of anchors the drawing out. If you have any cool ideas for the drawing lesson, let me know. Write it in the comments, and I will make it happen. You guys have been so amazing to me. The channel is growing rapidly, and I, really want to thank you guys for being so amazing. I want to thank you for everything you guys have done and said. I couldn't have done any of this stuff without you. You guys are so cool. Line along the edges of the mouth here. Maybe some like these notches right here are basically kind of showing the surface of the tongue without actually, drawing a sharp edge in, right? Because when you have that stuff, you have like a sharp turn, like right here into the tongue, and then you have the edge would be like soft as it goes down that area. Sorry. Anyways. Line over here, line around this side, curve, 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 curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, showing a little stuff in general. Right on. Okay, all right, let's look into small details. All the small details are thinner lines, maybe right here on the surface of the tongue. And so details is kind of what Venom is all about, I think, in my opinion. Obviously, he's all about his teeth and his eyes and these cool features. But I also think his small details in the tongue, in his teeth, those small details, I think, really make up his cool factor. Sorry. His cool factor. Oh, man. Sorry, my throat's not feeling great. But yeah, sorry, I'll be better tomorrow. I'll be somewhat better, I think. And throwing it right here. And throwing it right here. Throwing these small notches as I'm doing. And these thin little notches won't get in the way if you're making them small enough, right? And if you make it small enough, it adds to everything. But if it makes it too big, or too thick, or too strong, or too big of a shape, starts to do is if it's not correct, it might start hurting the drawing, and you don't want that. So just kind of be aware of that when doing any of this stuff. All right, thank you so much. Do me a huge favor and say hi to me in the comments section, and I will see you in the very next one. Say hi so that I know that you stayed to this point. Okay, see you later. Well, wait, stay for the next lesson.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.